Okay everyone, so y'all saw me install the light right here, the extender arm right here. Now it's time to clean our beta girl right there. It's time to clean her tank out, you guys, because it is getting nasty up in there. So we're going to clean it out. Now with this bottom part, I have this aquarium filter right here. So I am going to put this on the bottom, and there you go. Just so you know where I got it from. Plus Amazon. All right, so I'm going to get into that. We are going to clean this tank out, and yeah. So catch y'all and enjoy this video. We put her in the big tank. I mean, that's just what I do, but I know people are like, oh, you know, beta's supposed to be in a small tank. Well, I want her to have a little bit more room, so, you know, excuse me if I want her to have a little bit more freedom. All right, so we have the filter here. I'm gonna go ahead and unpack this thing. Once again, I haven't seen no videos of anybody doing this, so we are going to wing it out. All right, so what we're going to do is take it out, go for what our fish tank has. It's a little bit wider, but I don't care. Or I might leave the back like that. I'll leave this one down. And then I'll get a razor blade, and then I'll cut what's necessary to cut. All right, you guys, so this is about 6 months after, and I could say the water was still clear, but I just like changing out the filter. So this was the first one, and I am going to show y'all, well, I already put in the new one, you guys, so just wanted to let y'all see what it looks like after like 6 months for me. You see there's food, poop, and all types of stuff on this filter. All I did was take it out and put the new one in. Of course, I emptied the water, but y'all know. So, yeah, there you go. All right, you guys, so here we go. And I have to say that I love this little filter thing that they came up with. I'd rather do this instead of using pebbles and all types of stuff like that. You just take it out and put the other one in and be done with it, and everything will be good. The dirty one I showed you, that was about 6 months of the filter being in the water and stuff like that. But that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.